It's been one of those days. If anything could go wrong, it went wrong. I know I'm feeling sorry for me. There's a lot of self-pity going on. Tomorrow I will be okay. The dawn will bring a brand new day. I'm sure by then I'll be fine. Lord, today I really need a friend. I know that you understand, but would you hold me while I cry? I take a lot of your time when I should be strong. I should be standing by now, but it's you I'm leaning on. You've always kept me safe from harm, like a child in your arms. You've cradled me through hardships, faced alive. But Lord, it's just one of those days. I've been fault in every way. Would you hold me while I cry? Thank you, Jesus. I try to be strong, but if anyone can fall apart, I seem to fall apart. I run back to you again, and you heal my broken heart.